Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best robot window cleaner. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Cordless. A microcomputer drive system with a human-like brain embedded in it, through remote control and remote control, automatically drives the body to perform tasks such as wiping, scrubbing frames, and navigation paths. Under the action of intelligent system detection and control motor, its vacuum absorption capacity is up to 56 kPa, can withstand 25.2 kg vertical gravity, 13 kg horizontal pulling force. Tight adsorption, lasting safety. The cleaning disc, cleaning ring and matching microfiber cleaning cloth can be used for deep cleaning of glass and tiles under the instruction of microcomputer drive system and powerful vacuum super strong adsorption system, which is smooth and translucent without harming the surface, giving you an unexpected surprise. Exclusive memes detection system, using highly sensitive frame sensor, intelligent identification, automatically avoid obstacles. Small and large windows can be perfectly adapted. It can last for 30 minutes. When the power is cut off, intelligently identify circuit obstacles, and the system automatically turns on to protect the UPS power supply when the power is cut off to ensure that the product does not fall. 5 safety guarantees. No risk of window cleaning. Comes with a 1.5 meters power cord and a 4 meters power extension cord, which can meet the needs of general household windows. Number 4. Brand name, Tufting. High quality, safer, more peace of mind. Upgraded quality and carefully selected components. Variable frequency suction, innovative algorithm. True deep cleaning technology. Intelligent detection obstacles. Careful noise reduction design. Intelligent path planning. It will not fall when the power is off. High-density fiber nano cleaning cloth. Hot frequency conversion window cleaning robot can be used wet or dry, without slipping. Can be used dry or wet without slipping. Automatic intelligent planning. High quality. Safer. Using Japanese Nidec brushless motor. Streamlined fan vortex air duct. High static pressure. Low noise. Long life. Still great suction. Number 3. Brand name, Robot Lifestyle. Smart cleaning robot can simplify the housework and free your hands. Convenient for daily use. Artificial wiping design with high speed and strong torque characteristics, makes the wipe cleaner. Multiple control system for easy operation, mobile app control, wireless remote control and one key to start. 8.5 cm ultra-thin body design with exquisite workmanship, much more attractive. Brushless motor has high speed and long service life, ensures that the suction at the same time reduce the noise. Intelligent path planning, the coverage reached 99%. A variety of security guarantees, such as UPS power system, not afraid of falling, safe to use even if the power is off accidentally. Suitable for flat glass, wall, tabletop, floor, ceramic tile, marble, door etc. Automatic detection compensation adsorption, real-time monitoring of air pressure, not afraid of falling. The ultra-thin fuselage can access the security window grid, convenient for daily use. 2 kinds of automatic wiping mode, according to the length to width ratio of the glass to plan the path, provide more efficient cleaning. It takes only 2 minutes to clean and 1 square meter of glass, and it is easy to save time. Number 2. Brand name, Liaochao. Liaochao WS1080 Window Vacuum Cleaner. It is easy to use. Window vacuum is available in either a manual or cordless remote control model, and it is battery operated for portability. It has a smart laser sensor to detect glass, and it can suck up any dust or debris from your closed windows. The built-in wiper washer will leave your windows spotless and shining, making you home clean. The RoboVac Liaochao WS1080 window cleaner frees up you from the mundane task of housekeeping. Obviously, no one wants to spare their valuable time cleaning windows. So, why not leave it to our robot vacuum cleaner? Powered by high-end technology configuration, our intelligent window cleaning robot helps you cleverly clean and wipe your windows in a fast and efficient manner. The robot can plan its own cleaning path automatically according to the needs. Plus, it has 3 cleaning modes: N-shaped mode, Z-shaped mode, and automatic mode for ensuring comprehensive cleaning from inside and out. The vacuum cleaner has a 650 mAh lithium-ion battery, which plays a significant role in generating power for the cleaning process. It can work for 30 minutes consciously. From this point of view, you can make your decision easily to buy the robot vacuum cleaner. The design of the mop is independent of partition. The vacuum cleaner has an original spot memory. It has an excellent ability to avoid obstacles while cleaning. You must appreciate and love this feature. You can use any of the modes as necessary. The cleaning speed is 2.2 minutes per square meter. Liaochao 1080 robot window vacuum cleaner has a 360-degree wheel. As a result, it becomes very easy to use it for the cleaning of the expected areas. You can control this vacuum cleaner by remote control. It has 433 protocol. Remote control is very easy to use. The maximum cleaning area of Liaochao 1080 is 6 × 6 meters. Powerful suction, competent to clean windows, glass walls and tile wall. Liaochao window cleaning robot WS1080 designed for cleaning high windows outside. Replace dangerous human work. 2.4 min square meter, a window of 2 meters into 1 meter. Takes around 10 minutes in automatic mode. Work automatically 3 cleaning ways. Suitable for different surfaces above 30, mirror, bathroom, wall, marble, wood, tile, etc. Liaochao window cleaning robot WS1080 Smart Move navigation. Simple 3-step operation: power on, suck, start. About safety: 2.8 kilopascal vacuum chamber, strong enough. This window cleaning robot is a square-shaped, single-sided window cleaning robot, with a high-speed brushless vacuum motor that keeps it steadily stuck on the surface of glasses and even walls. The automatic window cleaner has 2 types of built-in intelligent sensors. One is the laser sensor that could detect the edges so the robot could work on those window or glass doors without frames. The other one is the pressure sensor, which will monitor the vacuum status in real time by just pressing one button. The gears are made of high-quality, high-strength alloy steel with stable transmission, low impact, vibration and noise. Use lock nut power connector to prevent the plug from falling out and causing danger. Dust-proof lock. Hydration is 1, with ash, dust, water absorption characteristics. Number 1. Brand name, Duramic. It can automatically detect and plan the size and edge of the whole piece of glass so that it can clean the whole piece of glass without any omissions. After completion, it automatically stops moving. The slender and dense fiber cloth relies on the high-speed motor to generate pressure to wipe off the dust first, and then store it under the thick cloth. The silver button of the robot or the clean button of the remote control. Press it once and it will automatically clean the entire window. It has a high-speed motor at 12,000 revolutions per minute that can generate a pressure of 7,500 pascals. When the robot reaches the outside of the glass, it will detect the change in air pressure and return